little cross of gold around your neck. I saw it as you flew between my reasons, like a raven in the nighttime when you left. I wear a chain upon my wrist that bears no name. You touched it and you wore it, and you kept it in your pillow all the same. A high-flying bird has flown from out my arms. I thought myself her keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was the archer, weatherman of words that I could never shoot down. My high-flying bird. The white walls of your dressing room are stained in scarlet red. You bled upon the cold stone like a young man in the cornfield of death. Wouldn't it be wonderful is all I heard you say. Never closed your eyes at night and learned to love daylight. Instead you moved away. A high-flying bird has flown from out my arms. I thought myself her keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was the archer, weatherman of words that I could never shoot down. My high-flying bird has flown from out my arms. Thought myself her keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was the archer, weatherman of words that I could never shoot down. My high-flying bird. My high-flying bird.